welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I am going to teach contract costing. Method number 1, basic method. So let us start with question number 1. A construction company undertook the contract at an estimated price of 108 lakh, which includes a budgeted profit of rupees 18 lakh. The relevant data for the year ended 31st March 2018 are as under. So in the given table, the expenses are given for the contract. A special plant was purchased specifically for this contract at rupees 8 lakh, and after use on this contract till the end of 31st March 2018, it was valued at rupees 5 lakh. The cost of material at site at the end of the year was estimated at rupees 18 lakh. Direct wages accrued as on 31st March 2018 was rupees 1,10,000. Prepare the accounts, that is contract accounts, for the year ended 31st March 2018 and compute the profit to be taken to the profit and loss account. So let us start preparing contract account for the year ended 31st March 2018. So in the given table, first expense is given as material issued to site. Amount is given as 5,000. So let us record it. To materials issued to site, amount is 5,000. Direct wages accrued as on 31st March 2018 was rupees 1,10,000. So let us record it in contract account. To wages accrued, amount will be 1,10,000. Next is plant hired, amount is 700. So to plant hire, amount is 700. Next is site office cost, amount is 270. To site office cost, amount is 270. Next is materials returned from site, amount is given as 100. By work in progress, materials returned, amount will be 100. Next is direct expenses, amount is given as 500. So we'll record it on the debit side. To direct expenses, amount is 500. Next is work certified, amount is given as 10,000. So we'll record it on the credit side under by work in progress. So work certified, amount will be 10,000. Next, the cost of materials at site at the end of the year is estimated at rupees 18 lakh. So we'll record it in contract account on the credit side under by work in progress. So materials at site, amount will be 1,800. A special plant was purchased specifically for the contract at rupees 8 lakh, and after use on this contract till the end of 31st March 2018, it was valued at rupees 5 lakh. So let us calculate the amount of depreciation. So we need to prepare working note. So working note number 1, calculation of depreciation of special plant. So depreciation is equal to cost minus scrap value divided by estimated life, which is equal to 8 lakh minus scrap value is 5 lakh divided by estimated life. So that is no estimated life, which will be 1, which is equal to 3 lakh. So we'll record it in contract account on the debit side. To depreciation on special plant, amount will be 3 lakh, that is 300. So now let us take the total of both the side. So the total amount is 11,900 on the debit and on the credit side. And the balancing amount that is coming on the debit side, which will be termed as notional profit. So the balancing amount is coming as 1,220, which will be brought down by notional profit. Brought down amount will be 1,220 on the credit side. So now let us prepare working notes for calculation of degree of completion. So working note number 2, calculation of degree of completion, that is DOC. So DOC is equal to work certified divided by contract price into 100, which is equal to work certified amount is 100 lakh divided by contract price, that is 108 lakh into 100, which will be equal to 92.59%. Since the percentage of contract completion is more than 90%, therefore the profit is to be taken to profit and loss account. Profit to be taken to profit and loss account is equal to notional profit into cash received divided by work certified into work certified divided by contract price, which is equal to notional profit, that is budgeted profit of 18 lakh. So 1,800 into cash received, that is the amount is 7,200 divided by work certified, which is 10,000 into work certified, that is 10,000 divided by contract price, that is 108 lakh. So divide by 10,800, which is equal to rupees 1,200. So we'll record it in contract account. To profit and loss account, amount was 1,200 and the balancing amount, that is rupees 20, will be transferred to provision for contingency. So let us take the total of both the side. So the amount is 1,220.